Hey YouTube, Street Stomper here. It's been a minute since my last upload. Since the last upload, I've actually went through 3 different vehicles and got a divorce in the process. But recently picked up a truck that I've always wanted. So if you go back to my older videos, you can see the old 03 F350 I had the 6-liter. I always wanted a 7.3 and could just never really find one. So I ended up having 2 03s and an 04. In the past 4 months, I had the 04 and the 03, and then recently picked up the 2000 with the 7.3. So let me flip it around so you can have a look at that one. Alright, so this is what we got. A little rough around the edges, but I'm going to fix up. I'm in the process of fixing it right now, grinding out the rust. It's not perfect. It's a work truck, but it's what I want. It's got the 7.3 6-speed with a BD diesel exhaust brake system, which, I mean, that brake alone is worth $2,000. So I actually traded a 2004 Subaru Forester for this thing. So got to get some tires on there, but all in all, this is going to be a great truck. It's exactly what I wanted. Like I said, I've wanted one of these for a long time. Came with the box and the headache rack, so I'm grinding out all this rust right now. Gonna patch up all that just simply because where I live, they like to target trucks with rust on them. So we're gonna get that all patched up and make it look better. I'm not gonna say pretty, but better. Let me show you on the inside. So I did a quick shampoo on it yesterday, just simply because the kids and I have been using it, and we actually took it out 4-wheeling the other day and got it pretty dirty. So, but there you go. There's the exhaust brake actuator, whatever you want to call it. So all in all, this truck is in great shape. I mean, 520,000 kilometers, and this thing drives better than my 03 that had, what did that thing have, 220 I believe that had. But frankly, I just got tired of that 6-liter. Just kept letting me down. Every time I would turn around, there was something else going on that thing. So it's been some fun. Alright, so there's what we've got. I just did a quick cover up on there. Didn't spend too much time. I just needed it to look better. Like I said, our DOT, they're pretty nasty. So that side as well. This side looks a little bit more uneven. I didn't spend as much time sanding. I really don't care. And I'm just finishing up down there. That'll be it. Then we'll be good to get this thing cruising. Not that it can't already cruise, but won't get any tickets, so stay tuned.